Hey, there's a Jeep, Mama. So I have been riding on the internet last night.
As you can see, boys, all soaped up, so we'll give it a power wash and then we'll see how it lies after that. First clean, it's not come up too bad. Now it's time for polish and then T-cut and things like that. The car is all clean, as you can see. Now I just need to do some wet wax polish on it and it should be sound as a pound. And then I cleaned Mrs. Cabbage's car, so that's all fine. Now we've got to go and find all the products we're going to use, so I'll show you that now. And remember guys, if Cabbage can, you can too.